Hello children, how are you? In this video, we will learn the lesson Alice in Wonderland from NCERT Marigold textbook standard 4th. Children, in this video, I will cover the explanation of the poem and also new words. Children, before start the lesson, I want to ask you a question. Would you like to visit to a wonderland or a strange place? I know your answer would be yes, because you all like to visit to a strange place or know about it. Children, in this lesson also, a girl named Alice wants to visit to a wonderland and to fulfill her curiosity. So let us see in the lesson. Alice in Wonderland. One day, Alice was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. So children, Alice was listening a story which her sister was reading and she was lying under a tree. Suddenly, she saw a white rabbit scamper by. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket, and as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." Children, suddenly Alice saw a rabbit scamper by. Here, the word scamper means to move quickly. So the rabbit was moving quickly with light steps. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He was worried about being late as he took out his watch from his waistcoat pocket and started moving quickly. She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. It could talk, it wore a red waistcoat, and it carried a watch. So children, in this paragraph, Alice found a rabbit to be a different one because it could talk, it wore a red waistcoat, and it carried a watch. Now, see in the next paragraph, Alice wondered, a talking rabbit. A rabbit who wears a waistcoat. Alice was burning with curiosity and she followed the white rabbit. Children, here Alice was surprised or amazed. Children, why she was surprised? Yes, by the rabbit who could talk and wore a waistcoat. She got curious and started following him. Children, let me tell you first the meaning of curiosity. So it means someone who is eager to know anything and everything. Children, in this picture you can see how Alice was wondered by the rabbit, and because of her curiosity she followed the rabbit. Now what's happened? Let us see in the next paragraph of the lesson. The rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. The rabbit went down and down and down and down into the rabbit hole. Children, in this paragraph, the rabbit started running and Alice was following the rabbit, and it suddenly popped down the rabbit hole. Children, here the perfect meaning of popped is to jump. So we can say the rabbit jumped into the rabbit hole. Alice also jumped into the hole after him. The rabbit went a long distance into the rabbit hole. Alice said aloud, "Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth." She wondered, "Will I slip through the earth to the other side?" Now, children, Alice said loudly that where was she? She was confused about the distance she had covered while falling down into the rabbit hole. She thought she was somewhere near the center of the earth and may slip through the earth to the other side. Thump! Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. She looked around quickly and suddenly saw the white rabbit again. It disappeared, saying, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late's getting." Children, while following the rabbit, Alice landed or fell on a heap or pile of dry leaves. Children, here pile means heap. She looked around and she found a white rabbit again. Now, when she found the white rabbit, it disappeared by saying, "Oh, my ears and whiskers." Children, the meaning of whiskers are long hair on the face of rabbit. Now, see in the next paragraph. Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches high. It was too small for her to go through. Now, children, Alice stood up on the pile of dry leaves and then she saw a small door which was 15 inches high. But it was too small, so she couldn't pass through the door. She saw a glass table with a golden key on it. She tried the little golden key in the lock, and to her delight it fitted. Then she saw a glass table nearby with a golden key on it. She tried a golden key in the lock of the door, and then she was very happy to find that the key was perfectly fitting in the lock. Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. Now she opened the door. She had found the very beautiful and lovely garden that she had ever seen. How she longed to be among those beds of bright flowers and those cool fountains. Now, children, Alice wanted to go among those bright flowers and cool fountains that she was watching from the door. Children, can you find the picture? Yes. See, in this picture, Alice wanted to go to the loveliest garden. But as I tell you, the door was too small to go to the other side. But she could not even get her head through the doorway. "Oh, how I wish I could become smaller!" she exclaimed loudly. Children, Alice exclaimed loudly, and now she exclaimed that she wanted to become smaller so that she could pass through the door and enjoy the beautiful bright flowers and the cool fountains. Children, have you enjoyed this video? Okay, I will tell you the summary of this lesson so you can understand it properly. So listen it carefully. Alice was listening a story from her sister when she saw a white rabbit. The rabbit had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He took out a watch from his waistcoat pocket and hurried away, saying that he would be late. Alice was surprised to see a talking rabbit. Being curious by nature, she followed the white rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. Alice jumped into the hole too. The rabbit went down and down into the rabbit hole, and so did Alice. At one point, she wondered if she would slip through the earth to the other side. Suddenly, she landed on a pile of dry leaves. She saw a white rabbit again, but it soon disappeared, saying that it was getting late. Now Alice stood up and saw a small door through which she could not go. She saw a glass table on which a golden key was kept. She took the key and tried it in the lock. She got delighted because the key fitted. Alice opened the door, looked into the most beautiful garden she had ever seen, but she couldn't get her head through the doorway. After she wished that she could become smaller. Children, this lesson is adapted from Alice in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. Children, Alice in Wonderland is a novel and is written by Lewis Carroll in 1865. Children, now see in the new words. Our first word is scamper. Scamper means ran hastily. Now next word hurried. Hurried means rushed. Now next word popped. Popped means jumped. Now next word is disappeared. Disappeared means be out of sight. And the last word whiskers. Whiskers means long hair on the face of animals. Children, I hope you all understand this lesson. Then I will explain exercise of this lesson in my next video. If you want to watch it, I give the link in the description box. Furthermore, if you wish to watch exercise in Hindi language, then search in our channel's Hindi playlist. Children, if you have enjoyed this video, then like and share it. If you have already subscribed our channel, thank you so much for that. Still you haven't subscribed it, then please subscribe it right now so that quickly you will get notification of our new videos. Your valuable suggestions are welcome in our comment box. Thanks for watching.